cause I'm watching. Cause my style is shocking. Before discussions, now tell me. Yeah, but I got the facts to back the superstition. Beast the mystical fiend and whatever the mission. Forget the World Cup, check out your condition. Economical competition before the dribbling. The biggest crime in Africa, skin bleaching. Jerry curl, baby, now that's a sinning. Jesus Christ wasn't with me where I believe in. Make I remember
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Pablo Costi.
Drasa matamanya mete ura akukura wofako mawuni ayemi amepewo ubashawo subai wana chirewo uko he enada bai anaduo wudi abebo aduma bana yo amama hu akansie ubie bia homache na dia trapie yo na nuke ya na wo miemi ya enra nyimre ya wasadi atwie ada afasia wo famase obi amfanabo wonkwana bere mu boko woni atebrago nukule ni yemisia mona mago atadi echemunye na antomago majuka kasabrako mekase guso kurana woho miana medua biam na mfifi hwehwe woni fie enu atire me ba fie me hu abusia afa ha mawie ya e atadwa wa fuadwa wa dia ya mo ye ne mpe no msin wa ya science pa ko no mana kufi e atadwa wa fuadwa wa dia ya mo ye ne mpe no msin wa ya science one pack in your mana bumbu ni fi mapama no wako wa mabiem ne wadro me wama enwa biem me dim suja e manya na enanu watina enra na metwabi mada mete pampa me kuna you are in a puto my bruta from me have a blessed radio papa abozege thank you.
Why so me muye pata sankosia? Nyanya me obi bia me sima na ya oya. Mema dia mushaya moto me my advice. Emma no nyinara ona odikai. Me ni makoma chawo ma open my door. Me do go chama ofu sa una me door. Yo wo de twem me mane nyeka cry. Oh I can get it ya ma minda. Odi kwa me no ba se dai. Ora ras nigga me si guy. Maybe dia my gata. So ni me dia. Shows her ass to you. And Rusty go, what you think, Master? Why? What if I do it tomorrow? My host, what you done? Ready me down, was you, me down, me down. I've been away, me what you told me the time. Girl, let's chill in time again. My God, you need. I had a time never saw me cover. Oh, I beg you, please. But behind you, so before me, yeah, me shadow. Who's the hand now? This is spreading it out. What if I know best it I? She guy. Maybe they might get lost. On the media, in the praise the Lord. Who got the heart of the mayor to never? Who got the video gonna be a senior? When I'm in them, I come on in, I'm a show, something, shows her ass to you. Don't you dare! Now me, me, I want my tangle. So, you want my tangle, I'm so me, I'm a tangle. If you don't believe it, come and see me uncle. Oh, baby, this is how you see me, no handle. We have to small for us, like a rock.
Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Pablo Costi.
you.
The papa sit talking, right to me in room. My woody asa, to set your body training. If I tahini, my quiet training. They sing crowd designer perfumes and cow be ring. Hey, 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 hey. And man in your woo, sana mystery. I'm a fucking cock. Menu to tower. Hey, you're the better. Not from the 2-4. I thought I would go here. Braha, not better than me and God. Many Naji, and I'm a Tommy Noom. And see, I would die. Rabbit aside. Many Naji, and I'm a Tommy Noom. And see, I would die. Rabbit aside. If I come say to Takwadi or one say to do my say, I cry to them and Christian to sound.
Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Pascaline, and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
Never that. Two party no follow one girl. Never that. KK, me say I Thomas so, and some men in the Chimodoso, when we are my command the court, see I want to make a josso, or send me pa, make me gosh, what to my kuma free me cocoa, Munche for me patch on my control. Some cast of metro in a pipan and so, and put pocket see a big Macumba, won't meet me through as a mini cake in the close school, me senior tsunami, who you cool. Me know the boko shop after be bien too. Me take body, your cuts the rice and stew. With me back to media chef, I'm who say a brand new from Pro V to shoe. One of goodness that to be with me at Nancy and me, I me cool, wow, too. The show, time I'm free, uptown, bad downtown, to me bad for me, you don't want some correct town. Meaning I said, now, yeah, me, you don't want pounds. Meaning cross and I'm a connection, I bounce. Me say, man, suspect people say, now won't you give me head, and granny back can't quit, me chill won't come here. But Fred Bama Pan and Rascal food, and I'm quench a whistle. But duff on them, my down for down in my town for my yes and fool. But to me, some men, you won't match my Danny Mumu. KK, so see, I'm in my Danny was your fool. What say me do? I repeat, KK, me take party, near cost the rice and stew.
Reggie. For me Bonnie, tell me why. There is CBM Reggie why. In him near me far why. Matty. For me Bonnie, tell me why. There is CBM Reggie why. In him near me far why.
Shizy, chak one so humokro, no money judge. Ice cream and an amos are not taffy. TBD biabre, a bia meshe, yes, your chair not satry, into more ferry, Me tea at once, now me at another percent me fit. Me catch me mammy was one shut up, was in front of teach. Or born one quan rate me French ne, when your bow was a me worry. Me ask me bef you on my man and no man about me and party, about bonnie, ya something me sue on him. When fair, and it you go come your shows of epne, or do you draw so your drobiana was in the permanent, tonton, or would you say who knew your factory, come to the water, and a baby mommy and Johnny. Wanna do baby as a monono, AMA, sweet more than you was anted, me that was
Reggie, for me Bonnie, tell me why. There is CBM Reggie why. Minim near me far why. Matty, for me Bonnie, tell me why. There is CBM Reggie why. Minim near me far why. Reggie, for me Bonnie, tell me why. There is CBM Reggie why. Minim near me far why. Matty, for me Bonnie, tell me why. There is CBM Reggie why. Minim near me far why. Reggie, for me Bonnie, tell me why. There is CBM Reggie why. Minim near me Reggie, for me Bonnie. Me and me young copa,
Mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Machamio, me to mindo. I was me. Papa me, facha me, papa me, me to mindo. I'm missing my voice, man. Alright, I will see I'm more cover. And the Ahenkan 93.3 FM, so midweek edition of Adwuma. And what's good out here. And of course, this is the best mid-morning here in the municipal. I came out down to be precise. And of course, we are back on your radio. It's another edition of Adwuma. Beautiful Wednesday morning. And good morning to you all. Right, so music on the background from Belinda Nana Ekia Amoa, aka Miss Bell. She was born on 26 December 1979. She's 42 years. I did that there. But do you know you can't go back and change the beginning? But you can start where you are and change the ending. Right, so my government's name still remains Ejenime Champon Boatin Cosmos. Over to me from Jibruz Money. Over to me from Kwabena Kwesti. And also a branch of the perfect gentleman. Nina from Ejiso. Show produced by Akostu Adepadumas, DJ Shabu, and my man Nana Topan here the first. Ebushaya crowd will see ever so more. So I'll bring you a motivational message. And then Wednesday, Ukwada. And we'll be Wednesday be a bro lifestyle segment. And this morning on our lifestyle segment, we will be talking on how to avoid peer pressure. Pressure will chrome. Pressure will chrome. But then nobody come on. Actually, quite fast will be avoiding peer pressure. Send you by that you be on fouting Korabina Unu. Unka say, ye, me who yanka. They be a Mikasa, me class 5 teacher be. Now someone can say, I know it's a philosophy of a fool. Or catch them in class 5. Or say, I know it's a philosophy of a fool. You can join us on our social media platforms. Join us on Facebook, Ahenkan 93.3. On YouTube, Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Send in your messages via WhatsApp number 0594841044. And I'll be glad to read them. Wednesday morning, 20th of April 2022. And we here. Obi, I want to say, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gantete, if you speak F1, if you speak Brekume Poiteme, if you speak Awazayade, if you speak Frafra Laone, if you speak Rushi Kwete, if you speak in Zaman Cordier, if you speak Fanti or today, if you do speak Krimi Pacho, I want to say, if you speak Swahili, Habari Yako. We are sure so here. Yako Pambo Hoba in Washaw so ma de Pebiacho. Kwakuni Kriafo, and I am what I want to say. Mami Tunchaka si Uncle Ghana Commercial Bank. And come my staffs in the teacher and come out Edna. Edna, I want to say a long time. Welcome to Ghana. Hey, Asem. And also to my Nigeria brother, Christian Inchuma. Bro, welcome to Ghana. I want to say, how do I say, how are you in Yoruba? what the same, bro? Umpo, but tree. Me find Chaka Sako be around with the Ahenkan 93.3. What's the store? Who office? Maybe I would see a piano. Where a Juma. If a born on pan, Casa there, whilst you are working, we are Jumanano. This is the reason why we are paid at the end of every month. We make sure say Jumana we no, ebe ko smooth. Jumana we no, ebe ko boko. Ain't no, baby awa wuti e bia no. Just sit and relax. Me and my team, we are ever ready to serve you with good music and much information, and also we'll bring you a bit of education here as well on the lifestyle segment. So stay tuned. I mean, I am a taxi drivers, and as usual, you know I can't do a show without giving them a shout, right? Okay, so big shouts to you, Brad David, we are a taxi driver. Raouf, MP3, Apasco, Medici, Super, Oba Tampa Jonathan, Obama, Buffalo Michael, Stagger one, Ricardo, and Atanko. Hey, Omodoso. Wow, we should trust me, chow. A patro and National do a Fidiato Hadoma, higher Ahenkan 93.3 FM. On phone coin, there be on phone coin. And you pass out the other, and I promise you, say, ultimately, you free up you. Because from my home machine to our home machine, be a solid presenter, be a solid DJ, be a solid shows will be answer intact. And then I'll do a video to her day. You are welcome, Aquaba, me a razor. 38 after 10. I'll bring you motivational message in the GF. Stay tuned. Music on the background, Miss Bell, Nana Equia, Belinda Nana Equiado. Is her name? At the day. Let's go.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I did the day. them say who go via your blessing. Down them say who they your boss. Over your blessing. When we come on the car, when you bought and you say yeah, no, I am blessing. When them say who war hard, blessing. When them say the tree says Sophia, the net was a leader. He said, no one knows the dad said, you know, or Bagato, or Bob say photo. If you are men and not to sell a weapon in the devil, or you may pass a blind celebration, or you may be that time if I want a minute. I said, I take to say, Winnie, the be a busy time to say, Lady Cully, or Funky here, or your perfect say, I'll be here, who would send you here, or Master Timmy here, or one of Miss Upper Cemetery, Sarah, or your root say, Daya, or anything that correct, say, Janet, forgive and forget, perfect, say, Margaret, or Bill number 4, say, it's a secret, or your would do be back to why you never regret. Come on, blessing, when them say, oh, our hills, blessing, when them say, put a knife fingernails, blessing, when them say, oh, go be up your blessing, now them say, oh, they got boss, over your blessing, when they come on the car, when you're born, and you say, yeah, no, I am blessing, when them say, oh, our hills, blessing, when them say, put a knife fingernails, like, hoo, ha, ha, me say, me papa, the soup by the casa, baby artist, Sandra. So sister, to say, nah, Joko, or Baswite, I hope about to say, oh my God, big up in the dig up a have Jessica Monica, take it to the dance floor. Oh, no sex in the champagne room. Go slow to set the bride and the groom. Yeah, one you millennium, gonna get more freedom. And to be your ube, yeah, just a condom. Gonna my get my wisdom. They start hand, one your hand, who want here, break your hand. Sit your way and get that. Who didn't then the channel when you're old dear boom. Who watch on the Pamwana with a boom, boom, boom. Me hona na ma feeling, me arena ma healing, ne him say me shana ma jiggy, one not to prepare. What can I stress, me feel it, me jiggy, all your juicy. Princess says it goes, it says Susan. Puya can I there who is who. Blessing, when them say who are our nails, blessing, when them say put a knife fingernails, blessing, when them say who don't be up your blessing, now them say who make your boss, over your blessing,
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. Blessed day.
So since yesterday, I've been asking myself some funny questions. So now that the government of Russia is saying Ghanaians should stop blaming, our hardship on them, you say you're the best day. You say you're the best day. It's almost saying we should stop blaming them. We should stop blaming them. You say you're the best day. And then rather me no be doing come on the panic catch represent. we have this is not a political show. Ghana will say, yeah. Maybe I probably the problems are shadow. Ghana, we had what go be, baby. So who believe it? Let me see your hands in the air. Oh, no hands. I'm trying to black sheriff and you know where Ghana 7 American. Who believe it? Let me see your hands in the air. Oh, still no hands. Okay. Hey, baby. It go be. Ghana would definitely be well. Trust me. 46 after 10. Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Mid-morning, I was so I would tell you. Adwuma. Mantema Henina from 2012. Yajia Boso. Ahenkan, yeah, no more, yeah. It's no. Many yes, I could be more, yeah. I could pay more new markets or now new markets. My BM papa and a liberty soon is so high. Your BM and as usual, Yai and so upseat lenders. A company junction. Yai big house, bro. And also BM pan. Me patch a wow BM na. Michiao. When you say what BM no man boarding a test message, bra. I mean boarding. Because some more BM no more child messages in the house. No. It is a what BM now want to send a message for 0594841044. Send a message, bra. Baby, I will see keke. Baby, I will shout you 0594841044. Min kind message, this one says, yo, a brand to the perfect gentleman. What's up, bro? Special happy birthday to Kweku in Cancer, aka Red Hunter. More blessings, bro. I send the phone in sent in this message all the way from Achimasani at that dear streets. This one says, Covenant, this morning weather and this selection of music, dear. Charlie, you do all. A friend say, hey, go for Gradino, King Kong, Papa B. King Kong, say, Papa B. Bossu, Boko, dear. King Kong, Papa B. Ah, well, what is that? We are, meaning so bad, Bema. Now we are Bema Pan. Na bema wo fia na wo study bema bia waze bra me do akontaba o akontaba odi nche as from King Kong papa bi bozu me mpren da bi ho na na egu aware. All right, here we call your daily dose of motivations and so you crash ourselves so. And this morning mama so yemu and as mama so yen say bro our daily dose of motivations. The bro each and every morning Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery watch modern Liberty Transport Opseats Canal Pharmacy. And for all your wedding photographies, birthday photographies, studio photographies, picture framing, passport pictures. Not just called Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Mobile 4 about school crest, badges, church Lacoste embroidery, first arrow cap embroidery. Nina now call Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now I sort out. Come up, man. Ko tusi kengu, man ko baby wasumu. Ebetetos hana buzanzi mako tusi kengu. So yesterday I was at Colors, and I make a Color Studio. And Kofu Baho, no one would dance, and no one more recommend your money for body the Joe Feke. Me pacho, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery and Opea. All your wedding photographies. In fact, I did be a photography, videography, picture framing. Obey my nitipa for the 0245276638. 0245276638. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Oh no, I saw you saying, yeah, bro, our daily dose of motivations. Yeah, crash, I say, man, pay. Yeah, bro, Enti yankoso. I think yes, over the weekend. Now me share one famous pastor. A friend Joel Austin. I hope Samunya Muni. He's an American pastor. Now me share na on my message be. Na message na me no kreni kama kuma papa. Message ni kama kuma pa. We are sure someone will follow Joel Austin na Munim Senior or Canon Joel Scott Austin, my American pastor. Now you know true ni preaching and I say oh boy na asamo kan ya me tro to ho a me ne wo channel. Or see if you feel like you are losing everything, remember that trees lose their leaves every year and still they stand tall and wait for better days. If you feel like you are losing everything, remember that trees lose their leaves every year and still they stand tall and wait for better days. These are words of Joel Austin. Or this is what Philly said. Oh, Shrebibia. Philly said, what you might be a frunsa. Wawari be a frunsa. When you want be a frunsa. In fact, I didn't through be a kuta will be a frunsa. Or the Agia I am fat home. She si ufie. Agia na ade china ade senyina. Na inura na was leaves na was na pro. A bit tigu famosa. But Agia nanka say si won na be mu mbu ye. Onka say me leaves ni etitigu ntima mi wu. Esan say me son fa so asan. Me leaves ni edane brown. Etima mi nkope obi no betwa me ntu baabi. Na emom onya gidie nya rehyamu say though the leaves ni edane brown there, but one day ebesa ye green. Though leaves ni etitigu there, but one day fufro besa behyamu. Enti fa wo to dua se eduampo gina still edua tree egina tall na se onim se one day the leaves here etitigu fufro besa badia na how much more wunipa and I was some wa be mubu me pacho se ejuba ne friunsa ena fufro saba the opportunity be our messi bi mri bi atwemu me pacho another opportunity be eba se door be e crosia another door is on the way opening. So if you feel like you are losing everything, just remember that trees lose their leaves every year and still they stand tall and wait for better days. And you know, se bibi wo ho no ma wa hwere me pacho siabotre wanti ni beka se siabot insianemu foforo bi eba a better replacement is on the way coming. Ditumusa My late grandfather once told me something. I say, if you are tired, listen, if you are tired, learn how to rest and do not learn how to quit. I say, if you are tired, learn how to rest, but do not learn how to quit. I was so young that's all. You see, I have fine, now but relax it, Joa home. But a more bemumbu, man jemuda. Say opportunity in free science and one. Oh, we are within the Abenya. There are better days ahead of you. Nasa Fasha would trim say the days ahead of you are better and better than the days behind you. And Kofobu baby said, near Trevor, the Yaman in Trevor, but the Akan and Mohobai. A patch of opportunity near fruits at the end, but you don't know what is ahead of you. But a no buying. Better days are on the way coming. Better doors are on the way opening. In fact, proper opportunities await you. And the Sawu Phyllis will lose Bibia. But Adriana soon and a feature honor. Adriana Simo compound house one. Adriana see school park and so on. Adriana is seeing so on. Adriana is see baby a 7 and conform because trans here. And your mabido. For say Adriano Fato to Abrabo. Say Adriana Poe and that's what said he lives better than green one day. How much more you? Wouldn't put that any on Sadu 9 do and I can say, baby, I'll be okay. If I chamo a bemumbu, see, I send a Gia home by men, see, I send a Yamaya bemumbu. This morning, this hour is from Joel Austin, and I'm the bro on a daily dose of motivation. Young Crash House, and powered by Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, and of course, I hope so. We are okay, yeah. You know, time to grab us, so great we cry near Kubrika. You get the motivational message in the Bessia. But my man Kai was a Bama, the upper soul, ya Bama. You secret to be a man. I have fixed man capsules. Fixed man capsules. My patch with secret, I don't know. Fixed man capsules. Bama, we are Bama, we are Bama, we are Bama, be I have fixed man capsules. But Bama, when you're Bama, person, your Bama, so still do with this all your Bama. My patch perfect man capsules at all. Only the legends will understand the American legends and one never tears here. Fixed man capsules, wow. Now, for what's in my Bama mappa. Malaria, title, fever, cold, dizziness. Also, we do a fixed mala mixture. You fix our Bella ointment. And also, your mask, skin rashes, heat rashes, foot rot, and antema pro. Oko perfect our phone running in our between wow. Fix man capsules, fix mala mixture, fix our Bella ointment. Achimo our main distributor, Air Boat Chemical, for 0205-88500. And now shall we call Walgreens Pharmacy, and one for Kennedy Drugstore, Wachidiba, and now for to Chumasi Drugstore. Okwan Kranswa, ACCRA, Accra. And then Takatamanso, and I'll be one. 0208444442 and 0302092071. And in the phone didn't command, sir. Mommy, come home, bra. You still tune into Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Mekoba. You're going to be the man here on the show. Your back, I said lifestyle segment. My catch already said today. I will be telling you on how to avoid peer pressure. A very necessary plan these days. Pressure will crew. Now, boys, now, baby, no more year and me patch off. Baby, never knew I'm holding. This time around, see, I say, no person may come, but let me say this already. And they'll be tagging me. Sa kunkra na console, please don't tag me again. I don't like it. Many abre, and I'm say, okay, Mami Muna. Please, I beg you. Those of you tagging me with that kunkra, I beg, stop it. Stop it. Stop it, oh, stop it. If I pay a software, me need kunkra be any asem. I beg you, I'm a son of a pastor. Don't send me kunkra again. Amen. Me basizia.
Ghana Kuafue, Adama West Africa, Adwuma, Adama West Africa, a agrochemical company, what Israel. Now, what Nasia human who say, a Kuafue Tom Nebia, and Fuet me Jimafu Nina at the Bosso, Nititru any Esre, say Esre Najua Fua Bossodia, and an American for Agile at the amount. Would you know maybe to say, Enkruma, tomatoes, Nyadua, watermelon, Meko, Ayoyo, Anafe, Abroba, Abra, Esre Nefi for Fra Ebano, if you Agile, no first spray, Esre Swanson, wet to a quack with him, and as I would wet him per now the Agile, a spray, Esre Nina so, Shannon, Mema yɛsere ne nyi bebre ansana wo de agile akwako spray so de hia sɛ wo bɛhwehwɛ ten tomatoes enketoa no na wahyɛ baako pɛ de agu kafokafo afidie yi mu na do ensuo 15 liters afra wo de spray pɛ wawie wadwuma sɛ wo de agile spray wafu ase a ɛma enhyerɛne a wo nɔbae na agu no ɛntengu ɛno akyi no akuafo ɔmo nso dua bibi te sɛ beans ɛnkateɛ ana fe soya beans no ɔmo nso hwehwɛ verzil ekumfue na se prɛko pɛ edi free saa no bɛyɛ ase de sɛ wo yɛ nie wonya hu sɛ emfue na hyase ɛba pɛ hwehwɛ verzil na first spray na sɛ wo de spray so pɛ wobetu emfue na se nyinaa wotɔ verzil a betimi de spray wafu na se emprɛ nwɔtwe ɛno kro ya nso spray 1.5 acres ɛyɛ ano afa 30 mils anaasɛ wobɛsusu atra yɛ dididie no miɛnsa na wo de nsuo 15 liters afra benya biatɔ ɛwɔ agrochemical shop bia ɛbɛn wɔ Ghana fa na nyinaa anaasɛ wobɛfrɛ 0544 325 030 ana 0270 575 030 Adama West Africa Ghana akuafo yɛ jimudi.
Admission. Akim State Senior High School. Yasha Sia Yasan Aje Afofro. Wana Wabi JHS. Okwa SHS. Ya Bia Ya Pro Atuho. Ya courses Ahodro. Ya business. General arts. Home economics. Visual arts. Pure science. And technical. Neti. Ya science our boarding facilities. Ya special room. Ana Enuania Eya Papa. Ya laboratory. Visual arts studio. Food lab. Ya science our modern computer lab. Today now pe. So pesa utro remedials in swa. Ya doba function chire mu busum siampe. Na kwatro wasi na. Ube try ne prekompe. Ya wo teachers for. Omo ni mu ade na omo chile ade a. Omo ho etwa. Awofo e. Ene ahwefo a. Momma antumi antwa wasi. Sane atie bia menwe ho fa ne bra. Ya bema na twa ne prekompe. Na ka ne hu se. Ye gusu a. Ya je afofro a. Omo eba from why. Akim State Senior High School. Ya wa Akim Oda. Ya ben Akim Oda Ohima na himfie ne pe. Ubetimi afra ye 0556 409040 anase 0207 163787. Akim State Senior High School, the greatest in the East. Akim State Senior High School. Hard learning is a passing.
Se open mobile phone papa and kwato ayusudia. None one big sound phones. Your original phones bia away asway. Ani bono so afuye papa. Se open Infinix phones, Samsung phone, Tecno, Motorola, Nokia phones, iPhones biano. Pomodi na bra asway na bra be to be cotton. Afa ye swapping. So mobile phone open so se sound near mouth for fra. Obape ye be to be mouth for fra no yisu. Afa ye laptops inabi or ye sound to laptops. Afa mobile phone no so nya ho how bia. Pomodi na fabula big sound phones. Na fa ye momo de repair mount. Or the fuck I you say to forward. Phones no so ni bo afuye papa. Any laptops ye repair any sound tone. Baby abe wo ye chikwano. E of a JB abrosa kese ni. E boga fish up. Wo be to me afre 0249 653780 and 0248722049. Big sound phone, mobile phone, and laptops, papa. And just
what else? I be the one that they figure.
Amanfui, Sunday watcher say, when you may radini, now you may phone. Anunti Prophet Dr. Jonas Afum, Yabone Mrane Ekase, Odi for Magra, Ayebrimu, Credia Ponyanko Pomba Sayadom, Ayina Maye, Omna May, every year how any Yamanian. Ono, and Radia Yina, Oda Safwa, Yafrano, City of Shiloh Prayer Center, Odi for Ababe PM, Awo, Eastern Region Patemha, if Yada Numrebia, Nunsia Pepe. Ekosi ayumle nonkro ana yeshia awo akem abuabu Pentecost wo Yehowa behwew fie ho pe sala nso na adeakye a eye Saturday adopa no nsia kosi ayumle nonkro odifo atenase ana ye friend special council 1-on-1 wani ushia kawasam kire no na wurade nam ne so anyewu emfamfrim awase wo hu your year of destiny number sala nso na wo destiny color ana wo destiny angel o sabre adwuma e wasa oye ene o sabre bofo a e wasa odi wachi enu nti na wiye mire nyankopon ayi odifo magra adona maye efiada nwumre bia odifo ekasa e wa Ahenkan 93.3 FM so anwumre no ndu kwapem du baako obetimi ni odifo magra adi nkomo ewa ahoma yi so 0244 575 200 freno na wone no eni ensawoso na awurade benam ne so ahyila City of Shiloh's Prayer Center.
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei.
Classic ointment se de sie nam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma kade ba chi ni nwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mreko pa bie de se ekro na agu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ.
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ.
Ointment ne powerful pa.
Hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ne aloe vera, papaya, petroleum jelly, cassia alata. Honam na ni ba bia ekro pimples eyam ana propro aguo no. Eno an se anopane nwumre bia wadware wie no. Wode classic ointment no bi ebesremu. Na be hu se yes, ointment papa bi o ba bi.
Me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama agye me se enye nanso pharmacies, chemical ne herbal shops.
Ane titru wo hene na herbal koforidua. Frisia baako and Sons Kumasi Edu Urepash Herbal Okaishi Accra Netufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799 833.
FDA agye edwedi nkrato yato.
Mido asa na de fia ehrampa o.
Ha, eye ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. En wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nan se nkwada nyoma ania te se wan. Eye parazo enu ana me de sie.
Mido me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro. Na ade ba de na ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina so atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Binding Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu o mo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wo horo won sai uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo ncha si mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
ban wo nyoma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so po matu a ubenya bi ewo kasoa Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ba me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mudin ni body say
JA Binding and Co Limited.
Me drew ho sesia. Adravers fui mate denne wei aye Ochinenti Enterprise osimin kantre ose oka batre na ase no fabra na onye swapping emfamma anase ope ka batre foforo so ato aye Ochinenti Enterprise ebia opebi ade akogu wholesale aye Ochinenti Enterprise anase wo de ka batre edi dwuma bia na se wo hia mono ato aye Ochinenti Enterprise ne prices no ya titi so se hu anunti bomoden na oni Excellent Enterprise any ensawoso yawa akemoda yene community hospital no na ebempe sala so na ye wokede ye benkede cemetery no asamankasi yene beria no na di hwanimu store ni bi ewo ho ne hia pa ne se obefra yen ewa homa iso 0245 639729 it is up batra eye papa dia eye Excellent Enterprise.
Piano quality. Grade A school or your boarding house. I'm a mama paying it here. Mama Tass a day. Double from an butcher. The way you feel to say back and what St. Andrews SH. Oh no, your tops. Oh, no, we can use you now. Son of SHS for one such hour. St. Andrews School, yo. In the Woody Fair. What's stopping the whole Ghana? For over St. Andrews SHS at it. What way are you student? SHS one. St. Andrews SHS School. Hey. Why you come on? Classrooms in Umpo. You're fully air conditioning. Missy. For to one of America, UK, Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, to 1% Andrews SH. Or send the walk to wall out for school in Winna. CCTV, home. And security in your time. I'm from the clinic, ambulance. It was swimming pool, FM entertainment. Now, what did you want in you are? No wonder, Matrix now. Hey, why you are corner there? St. Andrews SHS. When you double track, walk on 3 terms. Almost to cover one syllabus. It's no more true SSC. You can one time. We are general business, agri, home economics, general art. For over St. Andrews SHS I'm a trony SSC in Soria. Channel Pracope. St. Andrews Yenmin Campus. Asin Fosu. Mankesi, you go on fin. Severe Service. Friend of Bisa Wasim Biara. 0244 696911. Anna 020-789-1004. St. Andrews SHS. We are always in the lead.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Nana pia mi jumnie. Continue mi jumnie. Nana pia mi jumnie. Nana continue mi jumnie. Asa oh mi sunungo obi so mi mu. Mi mote. Sai kaya jamwa aba. Okiribody tell me papa tiasie. Jamu tu asieswa. E pani force wo cheti tiniye. I was just that fine. Chima, if you be on Sibre. No crap, what do you do? Sakaya Jamwa. I'm running slow to that. Man, that is for him. Sakaya Jamwa. I hear about the telephone parties here. No crap, what do you do? Papa was a cat so with him a Jessica, another rich papa. It was Castle Bruno, watch your fear for pepper, and your blocks in your fridge. Or beer right fear or more things. Holidays, we call on the US and as a Swiss. Takum, Poppy, or Jaguar, any best was Kenny by my from Nahana. I pay and your master. Your fear, your cast, in your maninashi, and then your child can't chinago or mo. Nana Pia Majum ye. Sakaya Jamwa, Abba, or anybody tell him about Tiasia. Jamu to a CSWA, if can force the wood chance in here. I was just that wine. Chima, if you be on Sibre. No crap, what do you do? Sakaya Jamwa, Sakaya Jamwa. I'm running slow to that. Man, that is for him. Sakaya Jamwa, Abba, or anybody tell him about Tiasia. No crap, what do you do?
Miss a man in free, me brands and me say, me see, no see candy papa, no brandy me just say, me my flow people burning out. I swear, between from a two put in a back, Sabochano running with Yako, Sound Brian can't, and they be my busy. What I do, they like go banana me terrible. Me fossil, me hala, and yes, I may sound come and when you ready because go.
Highly, the support citizen hip pick me. Yeah, requirement yes, you can put in my clinic. None of the yammy no magic. Fine guy, no take for the bruise in your missing to make this a trace.
Sakaya Jamwa, Abba, or anybody tell him about Tiasia. Jamu to a CSWA, if can force the wood chance in here. I was just that wine. Chima, if you be on Sibre. No crap, what do you do? Sakaya Jamwa, Sakaya Jamwa. I'm running slow to that. Man, that is for him. Sakaya Jamwa, I hear about the telephone parties here. No crap, what do you do? I paid you a shamia or Sanana, what to say. Me want to say come out from a tan. There must be because say yawa, master my and Yama say okay. And Damien come, me too champagne. I will be back one from to skin pain. I forgot them my breath, minute, crown and medity. Me for me power, me quite Sikadro. And now I'm not going to have my toy with you. There be, I know that Miss Rock, we say, Ubeti, ya, Minya, and Miss Rock, and then Anna, Minya, I go through, and the Doma. Never go boo in your fire. We said, I better to be here for you. Or Balaji said, Opinana Abaso, and Nakotini Manuas, and Nakotini Manuas.
Miss a man in free, me brands and me say, me yes, no see candy papa, no brandy me yes, me I'll be okay. Barbara Koji, I'll be okay. Portia Natasha, I'll be okay. Morris, I'll be okay.
What's up here? Oba me come so what's up here? What go me friend me at him, dear me, not to me na ya this year. Didn't you yet ya? You remember me? Don't tell me loose, can be bra, now blow fuse. Or come for till and can I use. Oh look, imagine I see me a cute. Your papa me how much on back. Your tata me at him good feelings. I will be a you mess I yet to I'm stop. And your son, when you're not caught. I tell you my damn fool. They be over my wife. I am to the fool. And I'm over ya. I could be actually we went jack out for car. Where can I for tea? I am ya. At the aqua yard and now. I'm on a conwa. No, to watch now. At me, me left ya come and enter. Uta, Fabo, the wild himself. Yeah. Kibani of our man coming with Sana me poo. Ya and the side, ya me die. Some inside or banana and so. Kibani of our man coming with Sana me poo. Ya and the side, ya me die. Some inside or banana and so. Kibani of our man coming with Sana me poo. Ya and the side, ya me die. Some inside or banana and so.
You don't wanna go there. Me call home who's a birthday. Sophie and a breath here now watch it. Me notice a 2 + 2. And you're the bear 4. Or from me, I swear I know the ball. French need back and Sophie. Sherry Coco, divorce ready do. Or boy, or Nicoto. About family, yada. Live by your show. No Atepoe, no Abobo. And ya, bro. G-O-double-G, do and yen. Tro. And you mean I'm a do a yo come. More or less, Mayo Adam. No, I am a Howard. Timaya summer. Yeah, anything in the OD. And yeah, they're condemned. So me moon, I've been your Sunday. Lazy dog, Tim Mukes. Holidays. Yanni Morris, baby face. Media no chia Joe. Come she frown. My boat trainer to Suntia. And come proud. Oh, Bonnie, lazy dog. Yami a shout. Or conform the banner train. Money Matia, yo. Kibani of our man coming with Sana me poo. Ya and the side, ya me die. Some inside or banana and so. Kibani of our man coming with Sana me poo. Ya and the side, ya me die. Some inside or banana and so. Hey, oh, ha, Yet my one, me and what you got, Angela, when you press a lamb, I'm a Sam, body fine, shit, Coca-Cola. Come for you, Mash, me grandma, I'm a dream, now, pala. Yeah, fire, come for me, yeah, me say, what you may woo, I'm a me and me, walk on for me, will be a my friend, move on me, killer, big dealer, you want to my fella, and I'm not an easy capra, me $1. Yeah, you can't come for me, but you're ready from Eddie come force me, bula, strong tala, big back, pull and roll and tight, the girl, and willa. Yeah, baby, what me do it, what I'm so over, and I pull up fly, power bow, and me bow, young quadro, me new girl, men go to a lot, you better your vow, man, coming with Sana me poo. Ya and the side, ya me die. Some inside or banana and so. You better your vow, man, coming with Sana me poo. Ya and the side, ya me die. Some inside or banana and so. You better your vow, man, coming with Sana me poo. Ya and the side, ya me die. Some inside or banana and so. You better your vow, man, coming with Sana me poo. Ya and the side, ya me die. Some inside or banana and so. You better your vow, man, coming with Sana me poo. Ya and the side, ya me die. Some inside.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Yami kwa na mi po
many joro. Why not your young pet at the frame? When you made the way, waiting, ya made it him. Made it him, was sense of a film, no cry, yes, to cry, ya him. As I'm burning coolly, I have paid him. Then I hope, Nafa, or to watch it. I want anyone, you want to say, I dear Daho. Imagine I'm a day, that is time I'm on fire, some in your mind. Who crumble yada, what is ya, idea, ya, with the best ya, as I'm by it, ya. I hear, as I'm by it, ya.
Yami kwana mi bo. Yami kwana mi ba. Yami kwana mi bo.
Hey, I said, whoa. Rapple Bunny. Rapple Bunny. All right, you are so good. Ahenkan 93.3 FM, 22 after 11. Ahenkan messages way. This one says, how can it be done at Achem Aseni without Dada Kwame in cancer? Greetings to Aseni Erisa Indigents from your mayor, Nana Kwame in cancer. Achem Aseni. Right, so Nana Kwame in cancer sent in via WhatsApp. Where she said, good morning, I'm Kwame Yolo, listening to you live from Wenchi. Kwame Yolo. Yolo, you only live once, and I hold the other. This one says, so beautiful. I'm desert inside of the. God bless you for the good work you do for other citizens. My big ups to Bambulu and Brook inside of the Zongo and the step inside Abo Abo. Okay. Okay, so this one says this one is from Enyan Kweku. Or say Costi, you are doing a great job from Eben. So which one is your name? From Eben, but Enyan Kweku. Because I said from Eben. Anyway, say baby it's from Eben Enyan. Hey. Nyame kwana mipo. Sisi awe dia wa obaye nyu we bibia ne be report for Madam Pare. No, you can't come and disturb us. Rap Benny. Those days omo trouble Lewis say. They be am campus and kaya wo me sa time no man but this can be a superstar. Because me rap star na pan compare rap we meet here. People say me a rapper papa. Me a rapper. What is new? Rapper wengeze. 7 na me try you. Oh, me na me try my easy. Rapper wengeze. Wengeze. Me na me try. Me anu bia hiti be 2 months bia me na me try. Isabeti, bang. Isabeti, Ziga, bang, also, I know I hate 2 weeks, but I'm a Troy. And you be a hating and JB, I'm a Troy. But this spot, and then I'm a Troy. One corner, the end, I'm a Troy. And you be what can you wait? Benedicta, hi, new pony. Hey, son, up to now, you should engineer. I said, no, court is here up to now, you should engineer. You're not. Pam, check it out. Those days, someone check it out. Check it out, low omo bois. Me say come basaya ne pa. Hey, tina na pam. Right, I'm a jail back. Let the watch more than boy bon quite impossible. Our Red Cross Junction Opsitec Evergreen Gas Filling Station. Mepacho corner yen 2 syphilis nasema. Prostate enlargement and as a prostate cancer. Infertility, typhoid, ulcer, gonorrhea. Man, sabio, menstrual problem. I take them on Bosome Basui. Baby drink. A big cry to me to fear Cosram on number 4 because Montemo had on my calendar. On Pesad Muguasi, the Mepacho, Koamaje. About now fair with 2 menstrual problems. I see the amount. So many swan obiante. Messi obiante. Was a number 7 days, 5 days, 6 days. I've seen uncle. Simple cry. Eh, I mean, I'm who you know. Mepacho being the kind of say, now Munyano 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. Men can say na den. Obian Cashe, me a science will school. Me and Monsieur. But your quantum detector, physiotherapy is where I swear, Papa, your ultramodern scan machine. Now for your scanning liver, no kidney, now for you. Other parts of the body is near whom, baby, I already said. Hey, Timmy, boy, come up, 0244 877 and I say 0205 045 665. I'm just saying to me, my swear, friend. Remember, let's not come about fear or never say a red. Come up, I'm a jail back clinic or say why you're Safie. ODI Electronics. And I'm a catcher, say product in the Brea Saba. Product, no. Grandma crow for my products. Yeah, camp products, but one camp products. Pepacho products, no. ODI products, no. Bebrenaba. Open TV, fridge, deep freezer, gas cookers, kettles, washing machines. In fact, home appliances, bebrena. Life is easy. I will fear no. Aba. Na dia kona say nyoma no so ne bo afu come upon. ODI Electronics. The patch out the SI kona wo mu ne say usika enso kra. Be hu okoto ba afo. Montana say hye bia wo ho bia. No one can. Now for you to wait me out pick your wife no twa wi anti na wo say. Or you can pay them in installments and pick your items after payments. Prices are very moderate and affordable. And to Brian Kan FM here, me patch up quality home appliances upon there. The ODI Electronics. Look no further. The number 1 stop shop. The ODI Electronics. And I'm recommending man. Me patch up men ko tusikengu. Men ko tusikengu Champions League me ko share bi obi there man. But then yele mo ko to bo TV nanim e ma hikra so nkoto foforo na dem be ma pan TV tan there bi enyo fe be so mbra odi ya we ba cho TV no inches bi up and size bi up bi ano obenya bi ato 0550900600 0550900600 na friend na fe woni mpanifo edin komo bi e wo ho bia in boost bar mixture, police in your drone, the number 1 immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against incorrect hormones of disease and also malfunctions that affect the body. In boost, I don't know when you're holding to your rank, it's in Ketiase. What you imagine, your rear come out to form. Me patrol would him say, in boost way, one camera when you're rear, so one more. It's how you are when you're a patrol, Pebinum, Pebi show bag. Who DJ Nessie and back send home. As he can go on board capre, a imboost, and I dear bag and a goon. Me patrol moon, I'm on your bag and I'm on you imboost in the free. Back on the moonjai, was you back on the pay? Yeah, Okuno. We boosted in Kwan. When I said, I come and trim you for fine. Now, phone the Funya shadow. I imbus a wa make sure na ma unu abako. When ya holding ya say, Okoba, just abwajini. I imbus a wa make sure me patch up pebito. Drugstore be a pharmacy be a quite modern chroma available. Oh baby, 0246 208 496 and 0540710113 0540710113. Nani penifone din common now so ko pay bebre na ko go fie ni adia. O want to pan him. And then so aboy minim say I don't know. Minim ne atopan. What's your favorite color? Black. And I will pay yellow just all. Hey. Now the in Alabama so favorite color is black. Atopan, are you okay? Hey. I see the favorite color is black. Tundum or bois. Just some now washing machine out of the eye, no the other. Now I'm no machine of favorite color black. Okay. At the point I am first person or to the eye. To washing machine. Ya castle cosino or so that cocho. Bema women for be da. Emma would tell me Bema women for be da. Bema favorite color black. Men for be da. My favorite color there. You see, obviously real men wear pink, right? Yeah. Awesome, me yale. Right, my uncle, your lifestyle segment in the son of paying off. Your friend is Uncle. So I know pay share how to avoid peer pressure. How to avoid peer pressure. And now everyone has peers. You know, that can be some sort of friends, some amount negative advice, yes. Now, peers can be your friends who are about your age and have similar interests and experiences. And you know, sometimes too, you may not consider all your peers to be your friends, but they can influence you in a way. So let me share with you some points on how you can avoid peer pressure. Maybe I am made me example, and then so my example, but I could be me live example the amount. Now, so point number 1: avoid stressful situation in the first place. Avoid stressful situation in the first place. I'm breaking it down. If you know, say, oh, call baby, it's going to be alcohol, drugs at the party. Please make your own plans. Listen, avoid stressful situation in the first place. And I'm saying, say, if you know there is going to be alcohol or drugs at the party, make other plans for yourself. Now, let me use myself as an example. I've never smoked before, and I will never smoke. But I have friends who smoke. Yes, I have friends who smoke. And we go out together. But you see, I'm one person growing up. Me call brim. Adia anche me da say obi ye bibi na me force say me ye bi. I've been with people. I've been in certain circles. They were all smoking. Me, I won't try. It is me patrol to avoid stressful situation. When you pass a party now, there's going to be alcohol. There's going to be drugs. People are going to smoke. Make your own provisions. Make your own plan. Own plan is say. I want your fruit juice beer. With your pekesia bako. Na sepe. Sip it small before you are done with that big paper drinking. Now almost on my way. It's just simple as ABCD. And if you can't leave them, to me free circles anymore because they are your friends and you still want to be with them. It's okay, be with them. Let them know, sir, you can't be influenced by what they are doing. So this is point number 1. Point number 2, consider the result of giving in. Consider the result of giving in. Now take a moment to think about the consequences of your actions. And to consider the result of giving in. Now, transnabusa, I will say, fine. So all my friends are smoking. All my friends are doing bad things. Bad habits. Now they are telling me to do, and they are pressuring me to do. Fine. It is a outcome. One, I want you to think about your background. Your family are free muno. So you're not set first wa. You been ya daddy work hospital na. Oh yeah, na se police chewa e benya sika abebeli wana. Oh yeah, I mean think of the outcome, think of the consequences. Say me kwaye bi se me kwa amwamia efia me free mu ebe boamia na ye mboame. Dwen saade no ho ye pa. Point number 3. Don't buy the line that everyone is doing it. Aha, and hear me no. Obi wa say o na so obi aye bi na so ye bi e. Obi oh chale ye bi e bi chale bi we to do so, you to do so. Please. The truth is everyone is not doing it. Everyone is not doing it. And you obi na ye. So if your friends are telling you say obi na ye, tell them say enyo obi na ye. Omo na mo feel so me ya. Let them mami catch them. Tell them in their face, hey, enyo obi na ye. Timu na mo so mo ya fine. We are not going to stop being friends. But maybe say my mama who say you can't influence me. Sometimes be on your A game, be bold and tell your friends that you can't influence me. No. Maybe I made one example. Make up now what me as I sit here, you can't influence unless I give you myself. I just say me I make catch me see I've been with people who they are found come back to school, back to SHS. We have friends, group of friends, guys like I mean, unim boys, you know what boys do. Me. See, sometimes it's not because you are from a Christian home, you are from a good home, or you are from what. But sometimes decisions depends on you. One kasa, you tell yourself, say, me, I'm not doing this, I won't do. Me, as I sit here, one thing I can beat my chest up in pride and say, so I've never smoked before. And I won't. And the madam will be out with a test the facts. And Obia will need me be bro. But I'm more shit on your far grown to J. Charlie, I will say you boom, but like we have to respect them. And you know why? It is not easy to take a decision to die very early. Oh, but you see, taking a decision to die very early, no, Charlie, you must be proud of yourself. You must be proud of yourself taking that bold decision. Say, yo, I want to smoke and kill my lungs and die early. Person me won't tell me. Person me say, man, come and tell me shit. Bro, congrats, your boy say, man. Never job. Man, yes, I mistaken. Right, man, yes, I'm mistaken. Nah. Right, so point number 4. I say no like you mean it. Say no like you mean it. Now make eye contact, then say no forcefully with authority. What him say the more certain you are in the refuser, the less people bug you. What him say? If just say no like you mean it, Charlie, onje one Robbie, shout at him. Man, who say, yo, you are not doing this. Onye. Charlie, unko fa we be man, influence you sometimes I mean, can you say? Obia oye easily moved on. I pity them. Obia easily moved by you know material things. Just I think Sandra Shabonra Mekasa say Nkofobi were having conversations about iPhone. Yes, it was yesterday. Like how? iPhone. Nah. Hey, for real. He's easily moved because her friends are using iPhones and the boyfriend can't afford an iPhone, you know. Hey, sister. Obra we Bobby like, are you serious? So can't you say no? Just no. No. 2 letter words. No. No. To me can no. Shame on you. Please. You need to learn learn how to say no forcefully with authority. And my last point, last quarter point. So above all, the American now point 1, point 2, point 3. If you can't do any of any of them, last point this last point, there are things that over to me, and that is find new friends. Find new friends. If you think you can't say no to your friend B, if you think you can't consider the result of giving in, avoid stressful situation in the first place, listen, you need to find yourself a new group of friends. Yes, do away the old ones, do away the bad ones. I remember influence be that she be want to me sustaining the outcome. Please find yourself a good friends. New friends. Now for who free share we mu di my brabo na wo de no ye. When him say no ni no mienu a boy in a positive income. If you don't know, let me tell you today. No mienu 2 no's. And yet they say 2 no to say kokoti, but no mienu. It helps. When they merge together, it brings positive income. One year science I make sure the way. No mienu emergia and the positive income ever. And me, I'm saying no. My friends are saying yes. Ya mergia emfa. I'm saying no. They are still saying yes, emfa. So what I have to do now is do away them. Me form two baby. Come on, munko baby. I'll make new friends. Friends are me can't know and they will say no. Me can't know and they will say no. Me can't know, they will say no. Now, me and you no, boom. And it will turn out to be positive results. Sisi ano ye tu nya ye party, we be like, Charlie, we are not smoking. Honestly, because we are not smoking. We are not taking alcohol. Because I'm not taking alcohol. But at the end of the day, that is what I do when I party. Me party. You will see me our party. I'm a big bottle now, bro. Who need the crowd cramming? Yeah, to who's a big bottle now, you should not say it's a watch. That is what I can take. And you never find me smoking. I can just say, me and my friends, sometimes we go out, they do a lot of things, but I won't do because 5 points. No, this 4 points because I'm still with them. I haven't found new friends yet. So my first 4 points, I've been able to control them. One, I've been able to avoid stressful situations. Consider the result of giving in. I do not buy to the line that everyone is doing. And the 4 points, I've learned how to say no forcefully. Please, to avoid peer pressure. And people are doing things and people are not sleeping. They kunkra people, they are not sleeping because in Kofo, sorry, ahomachi, dada broni. Let me say this. Me pacho, I read you, but I think I have to say this. Me pacho here, and you be who say or yes come on be or chatty broni be and or lack. And you munyanum kuta lack. People are consulting some oracle somewhere. Please don't follow peer pressure and go and kill a soul. Men follow peer pressure being called for Benz. You see my car. I will drive this car until my Becca said, "Control baby." Yes, she gave me the car, so I will drive her until say I'll get my own money and buy my own car. Me man will be pressure and Tommy said, "Boys my age are driving in Benz, so let me go and drive in Benz." Come on, what am I doing to afford that Benz? Do you know the price of a Benz? Do you know the price of a Benz? And that for more. So if you see boys your age driving in Benz, now Makacho said they are scammers, they are this, they are that. Please, and no money na no mukuta lack now. No, some are consulting oracles, some are consulting Baba, some are doing things that later they will regret. Please, do not let this thing pressure you and do not let sad away for uncle situation. At the end of the day, you need to sacrifice your mom. Then why are you forcing yourself to get money? If you need to sacrifice your mom, they will tell you to come and sacrifice your daughter. They will tell you to come and sacrifice someone you love. Or now be who say, yeah, what did you say? Me patcho ma peer pressure ento. And my peer pressure, and my ento. Mama funny you be messy. Madam will be catching me say. Charlie, this time around that you should start loving your girlfriends than your mom. In case Baba asks you to sacrifice the one you love most. Me dey see ya. Makanya na sempa me dey nkwasa se me twato. Me patro me na catch. All right, let me see ya. 93.3 FM, 47 minutes after 11. This is where we end our lifestyle segment. Stay tuned.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Boy, you try me home, Embopo, and Qualanquala Toffee, rap more cratchy, it's a 4 bottle, mate 4 points, a doctor for panier, it's been for buyer, it's a 1 for prodo, I are for cocoa, tray, me, I may not be who you I came Quanana, I'm in no bremu, a Santi 4 a soldier for 2, a Christo for Bible, a catch a 4 pen, a Quia 4 second, Mokola 4 Kent, I eat the 4 pellet, a chim from Pessie, the temple, if you get Pepe, Mushemi, and never ye, a Juma would say the Chua any day. Formula ne simple. Voting connected. Because Sasa Bonema Ukrunja Wachina. Evanessa rap ninja mena me boka. Me booming in Coco. Tum Coco. Tia Tintin Tia. Nanum Yabeja. Skid me fata. Wamukum Banina. Scatter. Skills yet a woman. When he's a pussy. Within a Yawoda. Nipper Utimisia. A bipa Japadia. Na a be watcher. Spare. Uya Machawadia. Wabon. TV. What is some money? We hip life to buy yet. Babone. Watching out of order. So me boy bisa si yake se weni untimi ni weni akoye sesene 7 years of it I swear nya by 2 minutes one come mouse so short from catapult to catapult what think cry ya was say wa woni guru kwase ne makwhwe bebre hihye fubu apanchi bi ne so mo me mobo ninja me boy de me sinsi ka koko DJ bi ene ho ba be juma je payola hip life a gin team am for gin musika na nanom yes pakia yes tutu don't be afraid yeah na nani was say tutu Ghana rap for Ghana rap ninja any undisputed rap president yeah prominent our rap parliament wudi and one grab yeah be try impeachment I feel where there be be chargement who a girlfriend yeah engagement ninja men pam for yeah be yeah my pay your strategies and send you to passa they don't you wa there na me be boss we who fall into this category me ma udie Mr. Kokonsa what for person kuminya honorable amoya sister insecure to na to for yeah to for perform within it crown one ministers ninja me hu me same party cool me girlfriend po hu me no crap obo hu John chapter 4 a hona would for in kontompo dam na ma bugu ahodo hu me da obeka say me ye fierce on seven international standard me ye handsome say be nyotokwa na ya grogwa
Alright, so rap we been going there come meti ma ye bia kwaje Grammys. I tell you. Meti ma ye bia kwaje Grammys. Ozi o girlfriend and your engagement. When the hey. Alone ye. Right, so there's this message from Veronica today. She says, watching live from London. Ahenkan FM. No size. Right. There's a message from Nana Kweku. Nana Kweku. Hey, she said, Dankwa. Sing and spell Dankwa. DANQUAJ.
Get down, make a know your choice.
Zanko for say pronunciations belongs to the owner. Because spellings belongs to the owner. Some ben great. Like how on X is Dankwa DANQUAG. Oh, but yes, my man OP is in the builders. Obi,
Kamala,
that's the
answer. That I'm be Roman funny place before dawn.
Before Bekasano, I didn't know they be our mama so.
Me must be everything.
Aye,
I don't want to.
Must tell you, pan. They be our one case every flow and two comuda.
I don't go for that account.
But mama so kwa.
I go for that account.
Missing me na my sasovino.
I want to come and go for catcher.
I don't know mama so kwa the TV reality. What GBB?
I'm free by the boko. I'm free by the way.
What's that for frana?
For fro. My system.
For that,
Nibble wedding.
Nibble wedding. Because change
4.5.
Tell me who said in change.
Young last best.
F. Hey, come up. Now, so then.
Said I am be a room and funny place before dawn. Say ba ko dombo hane ne kankan na ba ko boy kabuburu no nkofo ntiase
oh ade na nkofo ntiase sa wo chirechirem
mi chirechirem say ba ko don no bo hane ne kankan na nkrama na to age asembe nkura na enfo na frefre me
na ofo na bele yo
mi fon
opogu ofo meni
latest phone efi Jamaica nkofo ntiase yo ahane ne kankan no page before so mon tiase da Roman for so mon tiase
opogu obi say menka otafrija
otafrija
ai
o ya akono sadi no ya ntambo
oh see say otafrija let's see what opogu will say
eti Roman for ni say
what was so common
Roman for ni say me boda na enya ahane ne kankan na eye kankan na msida bi edo no omoba mu ntie ni yo hwe se Roman for ni play before don ni ba mo fo masuntu for na mu ntie ni yo ahane ne kankan na twem na nkan ma no so agisu zuon na Roman for so Roman for don na beje so e ka buburo na mo so agisu na nkan ma so beje so eyambu I go for say me wa
oh ba me ko fe do obi cheche mu chere
o se dey
o se dey obeka ni accurate da obeka
no me kwamena me ni mperifo na mo na next week me ni Methodist for don beba Methodist for na mo so mo kan me ni Methodist for don beba
say as a press before the Roman
for say me ni press before the Roman for don beba e be kakra me the Methodist for beba we say Jesus generation for the asoli bi o the whole Ghana me don beba
Jesus generation modon sir
eno no emwa mienu su ana mo de bom don no
Jesus generation
me na me ka kire wo me ma be kire wo omo bom don bai emwa ni su pena je se emna du se ayi for kwasole Jesus generation for kwasole han abuwa bi wo fie eno so ayi for don salvation for sabo ni nya su pe na je se salvation for don
so omo the trumpet to trubento
no me want to trubento abuwa bi
omo to trubento
abuwa bi unsa abuwa bi wo fie oso fiu
e wo fie
hwe ma be che abo akon na je se salvation for
oya abo otifia na se
oya abo otifia abo krokro su ni sunu e ya soli bi don amba
o mi za sori amo bo don Roman na presby
kwamena oni mpanimfo antranche me ni mpanimfo tranche me se
me ni pani atranche ba
o se dai chema ya ba itimi se ma be kire wo pray before don se me di ka kire wase ana ma kire Roman for me ba be kire o Jesus we say Jesus generation for don
omo mu ni don
he oh anyi ma chini aboa no amoya mu amienu ba ko su na ba ko su na je say Jesus generation for omo mra so omo kwa sole
na petit bate
what chema see your many so oya ampap
na Pentecost for
esu ho uni ma aboa we oh apetu pre apetu pre ni uni ma burubudie aburubudie nko unsumpanada
dana burubudie
Uni mabrubudie. Ma be kyerɛ wo.
Me mabuburo.
Ha, abruburo no. Abruburo no tie o. Ye wo mutu. Ye wo abrubudie. Omo na aburo no. Aye omo se aburo no. Omo ni abro petu pani super na is a Pentecost for. Emena so. Na ba be kyerɛ wo.
Opoku sisi de udi bi ba kroma.
Wọ́n sẹ́ dáná sẹ́ abẹ́bẹ́ kyerẹ́ wọ bẹ́ẹ̀bi ase wọ́n sẹ́ mi kan sọ obi kyerẹ́ ase.
ẹnu de obi kyerẹ́ ase.
Eti mi ntwa ntorọ.
Ma mi kyerẹ́ sẹ́ yẹ wọ mu esu alright but asọ́rí a mo bọ dɔn ẹ wọ kuroma yẹ nyẹ nim sẹ́ asọ́rí bọ dɔn Roman Presby.
Ẹnu sẹ́ ma kyerẹ́ o ẹnna mi si nsọ́lé bi wọ hɔ nso a ẹ̀mua esu pẹ̀ náà yẹ sẹ́ ẹ̀muna sọ sẹ́ ọmọ kọ asọ́lé.
Na sẹ́ ẹ̀mua ni nsunsun.
Ẹ̀mua náà nsọ́lé yẹ sẹ́ na asọ́lé ni hɔ.
But I'm say last year Yesu March. And this year we April.
And next year we May.
I mean like me say I didn't know was all different.
Say Yesu won you to shed that.
But you
what does you?
Who do make sister and Busam sa question say. I didn't know last year I almost Yesu March.
Who say Easter no. It depend time we be see. And Yesu won almost 11th 19 or the mama can that
oh you coffee Papa come praise stone am encounter fridge
no me na me tia se so no tia se dey o be kan
o se me kan wo bibia o be kan
ata fridge no ho un se